There's an old quote that goes, "Enjoy the little things in life." For one day, you'll look back and realize they were the big things.
This is more than imagine. This is more than ordinary love.
You have found your way to a partner to share life's wonders. This alone is a great privilege. But when that one loves you so deeply that they are moved to join their life to yours and commit to take this journey with you, no matter how bumpy it gets, that is cause for the most joyous of celebrations.
Meghan, ever since I'm gonna cry. Ever since our first date, I just knew everything was right. Our love, our fun, and our compassion for each other is amazing, and I wouldn't want it any other way.
Says Mikey. We're finally celebrating the love we've grown over the last 2 years into something as beautiful as it is constant. I remember the first time we met at the bear ramp like it was yesterday.
Now on to the mushy part. Mike, I welcome you to the family. I couldn't be happier or proud. To have you as a son-in-law. I see the love you have for my best girl.
The butterflies, I felt a huge smile on her face. When I stepped out of my Jeep, your infamous giggles, and the instant connection we had.
Nothing can beat this moment. This is the day that Meghan and Michael have chosen to become husband and wife. Meghan and Michael, the two of you have followed your hearts and followed your dreams to arrive at this moment. Life is precious, and it consists of moments that follow one after the other and slip away from us, leaving only what we can remember and feel. Very rarely in life do we have one event when so many of those dearest to us are together. So take note of the excitement, the happiness, and the love that you are feeling. Remember this moment and those who are with you here and now. For like all moments, this one will soon pass.
I am Meghan's best friend, her ride or die, her unofficial sister. I've never seen someone love Meghan for exactly who she is the way that I do, until I saw her loved by you. Meghan deserves the world, and you give her just that.
This is more than imagine. This is more than ordinary. Didn't realize this could happen. Oh, the grace of being loved. This is more than imagine. This is more than ordinary. Didn't realize this could happen. Oh, the grace of being loved.
A good marriage is many things, but especially it is to live in the life of the other person and to feel their sorrows and joys, their challenges and achievements as one's own. Meghan and Michael, your inner bond is the real substance of your marriage. And this moment will never come again. So take a deep breath and look around. Everyone here has come to celebrate the happiness that you have found in one another. So look at your friends and your families who have gathered and acknowledge all the love that is present.
I'm so grateful for you. Looking ahead, I know we have a life full of adventure in store for us, and I can't wait to experience our journey together. You inspire me every day to be my best. You make me feel safe, supported, and I love every single day. I love you with all my heart, babe. Now let's get married.
I can't wait to see where our future leads us and everything to come. I love you so much and can't wait to see you walk down the aisle. Love you forever. Love, Michael.
And now to my best girl. Since the day you were born, my heart has always been full of love for you. You made my life better. You made me a better man. My heart is bursting seeing you in your beautiful gown on this great day and realizing the amazing woman you have become. It was one team, one dream, and I knew that I knew that when she started bringing it.
2 years ago, when you first met at the Chesapeake City boat ramp, you had no idea that you would be standing together today, promising to love each other for a lifetime. But here you are, ready to embark on a new adventure. So enjoy this day with your friends and family who have gathered to honor your union. Celebrate how each person has touched your life and why they are here with you today. My wish for you is that after many years of marriage, you will look back and say, with you by my side, I have lived the life I always wanted to live. And with you by my side, I have become the person I always wanted to be. It is my honor and delight to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now share your first kiss as a married couple.
To Meghan and Mike, may you love always. May you always forgive quickly. Be each other's best friends. And always open your hearts to each other, keeping your marriage first. Bless you both on your new day and your new life. Cheers.
Meghan and Michael, today you commit yourselves to a lifetime together. This union may feel like a long-anticipated destination. This is the person with whom you can continue to grow, supporting each other as you become more deeply yourselves over a lifetime. Marriage is about having someone to laugh with and to make you laugh when you need it most. It's learning what the important things are in life, making them matter, and letting go of the rest. Remember that love is never a debt owed, but always a freely given gift.